Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and IK is with me today.
International King, Kyle Jenner. That's right. Right now we're at the Sticks House in McKinney, Texas. Now guys, we're trying the Krispy Kreme donuts, and this certainly does look like a dream.
That's right. It's basically a Krispy Kreme donut right here that they make, and then it has ice cream on the side, and it's fantastic. You have 14 acres outside, live country music on Sundays. The customer service is amazing. It's impeccable. The food is outstanding. Come on down to McKinney, Texas, and get you some food because it's a grand opening. They've been out for 11 days now, and they're going strong.
That's right. Their food is delicious.
IK and I are meeting up with our management team and our publicists just to work on some things for promoting in McKinney. But McKinney's really growing, right, IK? They have Anvil Tattoo.
They have McKinney Hat Co. They have the Sticks Ice House. McKinney has it going on, and McKinney is a place to go.
Yeehaw!
But we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold.
Cheese Hot Contest is coming out.
That's right. Stay tuned for that because it's coming up the next episode. We're out. Kylie Jenner, come to the McKinney Sticks House.
Gonna go play some